channel. So in today's video I'm going to share a Nykaa haul. So in this month I have shopped quite a bit, so I thought I'll go ahead and share it with you guys. The last haul I did was long back, so I thought this time I'll go ahead and share what all I purchased from Nykaa recently. So if you want to see what all I purchased from Nykaa this time, please keep on watching. Before starting with the haul, I would request you guys to please click on that red subscribe button and also click on that bell button next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's start with the haul. First up, if you don't know, 3rd of this month was my birthday, so Nykaa was kind enough to send me a birthday gift. So this is the birthday gift which I have received from Nykaa. So it says happy birthday good looking Nykaa Prime. I'm a Nykaa Prime member, so they have sent me this beautiful glittery pouch. The pouch is so cute and it's also very spacious, so I can carry my makeup in this cute little bag. So this is the first item. Next I will share two things which I have shopped from Face Shop. So I got their Jeju Volcanic Lava nose pore strips. So this has 7 pore strips in it, which I have tried only once and it works really good. It helps in taking out the blackheads very nice. So these are all the pore strips. The second thing which I got from Face Shop is this White Seed toner. This is from their White Seed range and the packaging is really nice. The product is of 145 ml and this is the bottle. It is very heavy and feels very luxe. It comes with a pump, so if you press here the product will come from this side, and it has a little cap as well. So I am using this for quite a long time now and I really like this. The product is really good. These are the two products which I got from Face Shop. Next up, I have purchased few things from Wet n Wild. So first of all, I got their highlighter, which is like raved about in the internet. I got the shade Precious Petals. It is such a great highlighter for the price you pay. I will mention all the prices in the screen as well, and see the swatch. It is such a great affordable highlighter. I'm so glad that Wet n Wild has launched in India in Nykaa. If you want a good highlighter in a budget, this is the highlighter to go for. It's really good. This is the highlighter which I'm wearing currently and you can see the glow. The next product which I got from Wet n Wild is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish Matte Makeup Fixing Spray. This is the makeup fixing spray which I got. This is for 45 ml. Wet n Wild is a cruelty free brand, so who doesn't like a cruelty free brand? So yeah, this is the makeup setting spray. It is good, doesn't make your face matte but helps your makeup to last for quite a good amount of time. So I like this product and it is very nice and cute. You can throw it in your purse and take it around. So yeah, this is the next product which I got from Wet n Wild. The next product which I got from Wet n Wild is this kohl liner. This is called the Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon Poreless Yux. This is in the white shade. This is very pigmented and creamy. You can see the pigmentation in just one swipe. It is so pigmented. It is really nice. White kohl pencil. You can even apply this in your eyelid and blend it out for a nice eyeshadow base. It will work just the fine. The next product which I got from Wet n Wild is their Ultimate Brow Kit. So this is the brow kit which comes with two shades. One is a deep light brown, one is a deeper brown, and another is the wax. And also it comes with a angled brush and a tweezer, which is really nice. And you also get a tiny little mirror here. So yeah, I have used this and I am using this brow kit from the time I got it. It's really nice and really easy to work with. So this I have used today as well. The last thing which I got from Wet n Wild is this Suit lipstick. I got the shade Missy and Fierce. This is the color I'm wearing. It is such a beautiful red shade. This red shade will complement almost all Indian skin tones. So yeah, if you are searching for a good red shade, go for it. Not at all sticky, stays for a very long time. So yeah, go grab this if you want a nice red lipstick. So that's all what I got from Wet n Wild. I have few more products, random products. Then I have got this L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique foundation. I have got it like little while back and I have been using this. Such a good foundation and such easy packaging, no hustle or anything. It has a squeezy tube. Coverage is very good, stays for a long time. Very good for oily skin people. Very nice foundation. Then I got two eye pencils from Miss Claire. So as we all know, Miss Claire is now available in Nykaa. That's the best thing. Miss Claire has so many good products. I just got this two eye pencils for now. I want to get more products from Miss Claire. So yeah, the first shade is Peacock Blue. It is such a nice blue shade. You can see this is the swatch of it. And the next shade is Emerald. This is like a green shade. This is Emerald. The Peacock Blue has little shimmer in it. The Emerald, the green one, is completely matte. So yeah, these are the products I got from Miss Claire. Then I have 4 more lipsticks to share with you all. As you all know, I'm crazy about lipsticks. I love lipsticks. So the first 2 are from the brand Nikake. Yeah, so this is the shade, what is the shade? French Rose. Even the formula of these lipsticks are so good. It is very creamy, doesn't dry out your lips. Yeah, so this is the shade French Rose. It's a very nice nude pinky shade. And the next shade is Thunder. It is like almost a black shade, like black purple shade. I love dark colors. This is the shade Thunder. Yeah, both the lipsticks are really nice, stays for a very long time, doesn't dry out your lips. I love this formula. And the next 2 lipsticks are from Nykaa 9to5 Weightless Mousse. I know I am very late, but yeah, I finally got my hands in this. Babies, the packaging is so pretty. I got the shade Plum Feather and Blush Velvet. I really like the shade Plum Feather. It's really nice plum color. See, the shade is such a pretty shade. And the next shade is Blush Velvet. Again, a very nice nude shade. I love the formula of this, so comfortable, but it doesn't stay for a long time as this is a mousse formula. It fades away when you eat something or anything. Other than that, it is really nice lipsticks. I love them to bits. And yeah, by this we have come to an end of this haul video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click on that bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also do let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite product, and all the product links of everything which I have shared in this video, I will link it in the description box so that you can also get it for yourself if you need it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all so much. Don't forget to share happiness and be loved. Thank you so much. Bye bye.